Hello everyone. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to send Bitcoin using Cash App, especially if this is your first time. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just starting to explore what Cash App can do, this guide will help you through the process smoothly. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're in, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and tap on the money icon. This will open a menu with different options. From there, select Buy Bitcoin. If you already have Bitcoin in your account, you'll see your balance at the top of the screen. If your balance is zero, you'll need to buy some Bitcoin before you can send any. To do that, tap Buy, then either choose one of the preset amounts or enter a custom value. After confirming your purchase, the Bitcoin will appear in your account and the Send Bitcoin option will now be available. Tap on it to continue. Next, choose how much Bitcoin you want to send. You can enter the amount in dollars or switch to BTC and input the exact amount in Bitcoin. Double-check the amount and once you're ready, tap Send. Now enter the recipient's details. You can use their name, cash tag, or their Bitcoin address. If you're using a Bitcoin address, it's best to paste it directly to avoid errors. After entering the recipient's information, review it carefully, then tap Next. You'll now see the available sending options. Cash App offers a few choices. Rush typically delivers within 2 hours and includes a small fee. Priority is faster but costs a bit more. Standard is free but may take up to 24 hours. Choose the one that fits your needs. Before completing the transaction, take a moment to review all the details. This includes the amount, the recipient's information, and the selected sending speed. When everything looks correct, tap Done to confirm. Your Bitcoin will be sent according to the speed you chose. That's it. You've just sent Bitcoin using Cash App. Thanks for watching.